In this video, I'll teach you how to send a message. First, the first thing you need to do is click on Devices. Make sure all the numbers inside are online. The green check mark means the number is online. Next, click on Send Message. Under Template, choose the message you want to send. Under Instances, you can select which number you want to use to send the message. You can also select all numbers. This means the system will send messages using random numbers. Here, you can also send an individual message. Just fill in the name and phone number. Or click the manual import button. After you've filled in all the information, enter a campaign name here. This helps you identify and track your campaign easily. You can also set a schedule for when you want your messages to be sent. Choose the date and time. Before sending your message, you can click Preview to review your message content. Once you've checked everything, click Send Now. After sending, click View Report. In the message report, you'll see that your messages have been successfully sent. Click Preview to view the advertisement message that was sent earlier. Now let's check the WhatsApp inbox. As you can see, the message has been successfully delivered.